This is my phone. You're going to be looking at how we can actually connect this exact computer. Yes. But what are some of the things that we need to have? Right? First thing, if you notice, this itself is a power wire that you can actually use to connect this itself, the system unit. Right? Right. Another power wire which we're going to use to connect the monitor right here, which is this. Now we're going to have the VGA port to connect both the monitor and the system unit together. And as you can see right here, we also have the mouse right here to connect. If you look, you can see we have the keyboard. So we're going to get started. Right, so first we want to bring up the monitor right here. We want to turn it around. So notice, these are some connector right here. Right, so first we want to take out the power wire, which is this. So this is the power wire. We're going to plug it inside here by pushing this upside here, the section. So now this actually in here. The next thing we want to put in is the VGA port, which is this. If you notice this end right here, you're going to put it around the back right here. Right, you're going to put it up here, ensure. Right, so this is the port right up on here, so you're going to place it right over there, just like that. And then you're going to screw it. Right, and screw it. Right, that is complete, just like that. The next thing you wanted to do is to cut the next power wire. You're going to plug it right inside here. So you're going to click it right here, so that actually plug in. The next thing that you want to put in right here, notice this itself is the mouse. So you're going to put the mouse right in this USB place right here, just like that. If you notice, this also is the VGA. We'll connect the monitor and the system unit together. So you're going to come right here, which is the color code. You're going to actually push it right here, and you're going to screw it in just like that. Now you're going to look for the keyboard. Now when I get the keyboard, now you're going to take this USB section right here. You're going to plug it in just like that. So now we have everything plugged in. So the next thing that to do is to get these two in here, and these are where you're going to actually plug into the socket. Right, definitely, and that's where you actually set up the extra computer. So if and when you actually get one, these are the basic setups. Hope you learned something from this video here.